Welcome to the informative Me CUBOT Tablet 10, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should press the power key button on the right side of our tablet for a few seconds. And after that, we can see here the power off menu. We can restart the device and we can turn it off. Just to turn it off, click once to the power off icon and then confirm your action by click here to OK. And that's it. Just wait a couple of seconds after that. And now we can see that the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.